Hey guys, what's up? Brendan from WhisperNode here. With the launch of the BSC bridge today, wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to transfer your BNB assets, your BEP20 assets from Binance to Metamask using the BSC chain, and then how to bring those assets over to the secret network to obtain privacy, to participate in the secret DeFi ecosystem, to LP and earn CeFi rewards. So we're going to bridge those assets over. So we're going to go to bridge.secret.network here. You're going to click here to connect your Kepler wallet. And you can see I have some secret in there for gas costs for creating viewing keys and things. And then I'm going to connect my Kepler wallet as well. My MetaMask wallet over here as well. So I've already clicked those two buttons. You may, see a button that says connect when you first come to this page. So, all right, I'm going to head over to Binance where I've bought 0.11 BNB. And I'm going to send that to my MetaMask wallet here. A thing that you want to know when you open up MetaMask, usually at first you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. We're going to want to connect to the BSC mainnet. So we're going to have to add that network. So to do that, I'm going to go into the bridge page may do it automatically. There is a pop-up sometimes when you click connect to MetaMask wallet. I saw that pop up. I ignored it. It didn't create the BSC connection. So I'm going to show you how to do that manually as well. So to do that manually, you're going to click up here, go down to settings, go to networks, and I'm going to add a network here. Let's call this Binance Smart Chain. And let's see, there we go. Chain ID 56 BNB. All right, looks like I've populated this before. So just make sure you fill in the data from here, and I will post this link in the description. So I'm going to click save. And now I have the Binance Smart Chain network. And I'm going to switch to that network up here. There we go. And now you can see I'm using BNB instead of Ethereum for gas. So keep that in mind throughout this tutorial. You're going to need a little bit of BNB for gas as you're interacting with the bridge and sending your BSC assets around. So I'm going to go back to Binance. I'm going to enter my MetaMask new BNC address in here. Make sure my BEP20 chain is chosen. And I'm going to take out the max 0.1 BNB, and I'm going to confirm that withdraw there. All right, so I'm going to verify this, get my verification code, and I'll be right back. And we're back. So that withdrawal request is submitted. That's just going to take, a couple minutes here. So I'll keep an eye on this and speed this up in the tutorial. All right, guys, looks like that transfer to my MetaMask wallet was a success. You can see I now have 0.1169 BNB in there. So I'm going to head back over to the bridge page here. I'm going to make sure the BSC bridge is chosen, and you're going to see my balance of BNB is popping up here. And I am going to convert BNB from the BSC wallet to my Kepler wallet. I'm going to click use my address, which fills in my Kepler wallet. I'm not going to click max here because remember I need to save some BNB for the gas. So I'm just going to do like half of it. I'm going to do 0.05 there. All right. And I'm going to click bridge. And I'm going to get this pop-up to confirm the transaction. Note that I need to create this viewing key here. There's a warning. Because they are secret tokens and the way our secret contracts work, you need a viewing key to view your new secret wrapped version of the asset. So I am going to create that viewing key now so that when I go across the bridge, it is viewable in my Kepler wallet. And if this doesn't work, I'll show you how to do this manually. I'm going to copy this address just in case. This is the secret BNB address there. I'm going to submit to create the viewing key, approve that transaction. And then after I do that, I'm going to click confirm to go across the bridge. And I'm going to approve that in my Metamask. And then I can follow the transaction status. Because these are two very fast chains, we're not using Ethereum or some slower chain. This transaction should be really fast. It's using the BSC chain to do a transaction and then doing the secret network to do a transaction. So this should happen pretty quickly here. Hopefully they're not going to make a liar out of me. All right, so I just clicked over to check out BSC scan. Looks like that was a success on the BSC end. So now it's probably just waiting for the secret network end here. And as this is doing this, I notice here in my Kepler wallet that I don't see the secret BNB. You would see your balance down here after the viewing key is created. So I'm going to refresh the bridge page. I believe that may fix the issue. And if not, I'm going to show you what else to do. So, all right, I refreshed the bridge page there. And let's see. Still don't see the key. So I'm gonna manually add that again. Remember, I copied that contract address before, and I pasted it in here. So you can see secret BNB. Submit that transaction again. And there we go. Looks like that fixed it. So now I see my secret BNB, and it's the 0.05 that I just transferred over the bridge. Looks like the tracker's a little bit behind here. No big deal. I see my secret BNB in my secret wallet now. And it looks like the bridge page updated as well. So looks like that went through. I now have 0.05 secret BNB in my Kepler wallet. And now I can do everything in the secret finance ecosystem. I can go to the CFI page here. Sorry, I can go to the swap page here. And let's see. I should now be able to swap my secret BNB here for secret or any other asset on SecretSwap. You can see it's pulling in my balance of 0.05 BNB. I did not create the viewing key for secret yet in this browser, so I can click that view balance button, just real quick. I don't think I have a balance, so it's probably going to be 0, but always want to do that. So there you go. So I could swap my secret BNB for secret. You can see that there's no liquidity yet on SecretSwap, so don't recommend doing this until people start liquidity providing. But I did want to show you guys that you will be able to swap privately using the network. Eventually, you should be able to pool your assets as well and earn liquidity provider tokens on some of these tokens. So I could provide liquidity for BNB/secret here. I would do that using the pool page. I would provide this double-sided liquidity. After doing that, I would get LP tokens, and then I would go over to the earn page here and find the pair. In this case, it would be secret BNB, and then I would deposit those earn tokens, those LP tokens, into the pool to earn these nice juicy APYs. So more tutorials will come as some of these rewards are announced, but that's it for today on how to use the secret Binance bridge. Take it easy, guys.